Hello. I wanted to take a moment and thank Artorful for making me one of the top 10 on the 2021 art competition on this piece right here. And I've been asked to share just a brief video just to introduce myself and talk a little bit about this piece. My name is Marc Harvill. I've been an artist all my life, really. I've been painting for about maybe 15 years, but I've gotten really serious about it just the last few years now. And I was introduced to oil painting while I was in high school. A few years ago, I jumped into utilizing acrylics as well, and I really enjoy those as well. I enjoy the benefits of both medium. But I'm really self-taught. You know, my background is really in business, but you know, everything that I've ever learned, the journey in learning oil painting and acrylic painting has really just been, by and large, self-taught, and it's through a lot of trial and error, and so I continue to learn every day, all the time. I'm constantly learning, and I think it's going to be a lifelong pursuit. To talk about this painting here for a moment, I did this painting last year, and you know, I was one day just kind of fishing around the internet, and I found this large, I believe it was a digital image, but a large image of a battle scene. And among that large image had this knight and this horse. And I thought, wouldn't it be neat if I just kind of zeroed in just on that knight and horse and just created a painting out of that? So that's precisely what I did. I used that reference as I go by, and I kind of carved out the entire battle scene and really focused in on the warrior and on the horse. So that's really kind of the inspiration on where this painting came from. I started by using an airbrush in the background. I wanted to kind of create that smoky, misty sensation or feel, as if he's in a battle scene, and there's a lot of debris, a lot of fire, maybe from flaming arrows, you know, things catching fire. And then I went and painted the rest of him in an acrylic. So this is really just an acrylic painting. So that's kind of where the idea came from. And it's just something I wanted to try that was kind of new and unique. Just to talk briefly about my website. I've got a website called Marc Harvill Art, and the website, I have a nice gallery. I sell work on the website as well, and a lot of what I do is word of mouth. Obviously this is not my full-time job, at least yet. I'd like to make it so, but I do take commission work, and it's through word of mouth, and it's also by the utilizing of my website. I do YouTube tutorial videos called Marc Harvill Art, and so I kind of garner a little interest that way. I do art fairs, craft fairs, and these are the tools I use with social media to kind of get the word out. But I really love my YouTube tutorial videos and demos. I've always just wanted to share my work, and that's one of the most gratifying things about what I do, is just to share my work, and to maybe give it back and share my tips and tricks for brand new artists, as well as hopefully something I'm demonstrating or sharing can be of use or benefit to somebody. So anyway, once again, I'm grateful to be one of the top 10 artists in the competition with Artorful, and I appreciative of the chance to discuss this painting and talk about myself and introduce myself a little bit. And I thank you for that. So thanks again.